What's the meaning of contretemps? Contretemps. Contretemps.
Contretemps. Contretemps. Contretemps is a French word that refers to an unexpected and unfortunate event or disagreement that causes a disruption in plans. It can be a minor misunderstanding or a serious conflict that results in an awkward and tense situation. The aftermath of a contretemps can vary depending on the severity of the incident and the parties involved, ranging from simple apologies and moving on to long-lasting damage to relationships or reputations. Overall, a contretemps is an unwelcome and often avoidable occurrence that can have consequences beyond the immediate moment.